Arrive in style with this 2013 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: heated mirrors, split bench seat, intermittent wipers, steel wheels, passenger airbag, brake assist, variable speed intermittent wipers, tow hooks, and daytime running lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.